One of the best parts of living in Central California is that you have quick access to the beach. In just a 2-hour drive, we made it to the beach. So we are spending the day at Avila looking for shells and playing in the water. We're gonna head to Montana del Oro to look for cutesy little baby shells and then head over to Morro Bay for some cinnamon rolls.
All right, let's load up the car. Currently putting gas. Let's see what it costs to fill up a 16-gallon tank in California.
I say $68.
What do you think? I say 64.
Yeah, I say 68. Around 60, like 69.
How much was it to fill up? $11.
It was $57 to fill up. 50. Kids are hungry, so we're gonna go get some donuts. What kind of donut did you get?
Pink one.
I got 1 strawberry donut. I got 2 strawberry donuts.
Hey, bud, I had 2 orders for Alex.
So it was like a couple minutes ago. So come on through to the window, please.
Awesome, thank you. The kids are hungry, mom's hungry, I'm hungry, so yeah, let's do this.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
So after driving around for a good 10 minutes, we finally found parking. Here we got Reagan. Reggie Lou. What are you carrying, baby? You're carrying your volleyball and a speaker. Jack's got his toys.
No.
And a shovel.
Dad, no.
What's mom got?
My chair and our stuff.
Peyton's got 1 chair and her cool sunglasses. Let's go.
And our drinks.
Oh yeah, she has the drinks. Forgot about that.
What do you have?
I've got a chair and an umbrella. You know, you always gotta have an umbrella. Cause if you're like me, you get dark quick. I get a little toasty. So we'll go down here and find a good place to set up. And let's get this party going. We are set up. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Let me see. Is that a landing strip? All right, hold on, let me follow you. All right, go.
Dinosaur. Jet.
Where are they gonna land at? It's blowing everything up. Did it crash?
It crashed. But it's coming back up. It's still alive. Colonial Alpha. Land.
Picked up another one.
Returning.
Wow. Yeah.
One more strike. Dr. Randy. Call even more jets. No, we even need more jets. Call the Air Patrol again.
There's a stealth bomber in the air, Jax. It's trying to attack you. It's coming, it's coming. It's got blown up, it's blown out. No.
I don't like the ocean here. It's too cold.
It's cold, but
No, it's literally freezing. It's freezing. I went and I stuck my feet in there. No, thank you.
well, I mean, you gotta kind of leave it in for a little
Take me
bit.
back to the-
Jackson brought a bucket to get all the sand off his feet,
I'm making a living thing.
but he doesn't understand that. It doesn't work that way. What happened? You still have sand on your feet? You look so cool with your glasses. Oh, that water is chilly. So there was a little boy playing with Jackson's toys, and Jackson was nice enough to give him one of his jets. How, buddy? You gotta teach these kids to be nice and be sharing and caring. Good job, buddy. Hey, good job for being a good kid. I'm ready.
Yeah.
One.
Reagan, see how far you can walk out.
No.
You might be able to walk the whole thing.
Boom!
Don't throw sticks. Don't throw sticks.
Daddy, will you float with me?
Daddy, will you float with her? Daddy doesn't know how to float.
Daddy, will you come down?
Ready?
I can do it myself.
Okay, okay. Good job, baby. Here, I'll help you. It is cold.
But you did it.
It is
Good
cold.
job.
Dad, take that stick away from me.
Jackson.
What you got there, baby? Let me see.
I found a rock that is a diamond shape.
Oh, dude, that's like perfect. Good job,
I
baby.
did
Winner of this race gets ice cream.
Just keep going, baby. You
Ready?
got this.
Set, go.
Oh, wait, no! She's going to my way! Wait, no! She's going to my way!
Did you just smoke Peyton? Yeah.
Stand her lane. She cut in front of me.
Yes.
Or did I tie?
No, you won. What's
It
Babe?
was a three-way tie.
She got my way.
I know. It was definitely a three-way tie.
Dad.
Hey guys, so we're all done with the beach. We're gonna go grab some.
Ice cream.
$6 for this, babe? This is
$7.
what?
Mom, wait.
We could have gone to Baskin Robbins for cheaper and bigger scoops, huh? But it's okay. We're gonna enjoy this ice cream. What'd you get, babe? Oh, that looks good.
Raspberry cheesecake.
What's yours?
Wild blackberry.
What's yours? Cookie dough?
Ooey gooey peanut butter.
Change of plans, guys. We ended up getting cinnamon rolls in Pismo instead of Morro Bay. And look,
There's a pizza.
they look so delicious.
Ooh, wow.
Let's eat them.
So for the record, I had to eat it because I was hungry, but it was cold
And hard.
and hard.
0 out of 10.
Especially when the last time we ate a cinnamon roll was in Hawaii.
I know you can't compare that. These guys need to do better though. Look at these trees, these turns right here.
The dramaticness of one.
No, it's really pretty though.
It is pretty. I would be a little scared to camp out here if they're, like, people say they see bears, but I've never seen a bear, but
It's literally called Mountain of the Bear.
Baby, you didn't bring a sweater?
And as you guys can see right here to the right, that is it right there. That is where we are bound. That is where we are headed. Here we are, one of Mom's favorite places. And there is a front spot way up here.
We're gonna put this thing that he got me to the test.
What is that?
Scoop up some shells.
Let me see your little bag. Cool, that is so cool. Little satchel. Babe, we probably been here, I don't know how many times.
Long.
How many times have we been here?
One. Maybe more.
Maybe more? Okay, we've been here, we've never climbed up there. So today, I'm climbing up with whoever wants to climb up.
You're funny.
I think we might be able to watch the sun go down, guys. They're usually not this small either. They're big rocks for the most part.
It's not that cold, Megan.
I don't like this.
We gotta live on the edge sometimes.
I don't think we do.
Let's go, kids. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
Me?
Yeah,
Leave them on or
take them off.
I have to take them off? Dad, do I have to take them off?
No, you can leave yours on, but you gotta be careful. You know what? Yeah, take them off. I feel like I'm gonna rip my pants off. Hey, pay attention. Hey, wait.
Whoa.
All right, here we go.
Here I'll go.
Wait. Okay. Here, baby.
Whoa.
I want you to
I'll sit on this. I'll sit on this.
wait right there. Walk to right there and stay right there. Go, baby. Walk, get down. All right. Wait right there, Jax. Excuse us.
Yeah, no worries.
Hold on, wait right there. Wait. Babe, you gotta come. Here, I'm gonna help your mom out.
I can't do this.
Baby, you can't kick up right there on one of those rocks. There you go. You got this, babe. It is slippery here, so watch out.
Go, go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Give me your hand. All right, you guys ready for the great reveal? Let's go. Guys, we are so blessed to live in California. I know the politics suck, but look at this. Wow. How do you know what terracotta is?
Minecraft.
This does remind me of Hawaii sand, though.
Okay, I need your hands clean because we're climbing down. That's going first.
So we're able to get down nice and safe. That's always something you hope for, so we're blessed. All right, so mom's over there, Payne's right there. They're looking for shells. Meanwhile, the sun's about to go down. So we're gonna hang out, wait for the sun to go down, and here we got Jackson and Reagan waving at a couple planes in the air. That's cool. I'll put this on a time lapse, show you guys the sunset, and then we're gonna head out. So pretty with the sunset behind you, babe.
Oh, thanks.
Everyone say bye, beach.
Bye, beach. Oh, look at how pretty it is.
Look at this.
Got a salad,
Yay.
Titan sandwich, a whole basket of fries for everybody and ranch, cheeseburger for Jax. Let's go. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums up our video. We all had a blast. We all had fun today. We all had full bellies. Anything you guys want to say before we say bye?
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys on the next one.